Hello viewers, few days ago I updated my iPad 10th generation to iPadOS 18.2. In that video I mentioned about display multitasking and battery life. But it was not possible for me to say about the battery performance after this update. So in this video I will talk mainly about the battery performance after 3 days of updating to latest version of iPadOS 18.2. iPad 10th generation is the entry-level iPad which was launched in 2022, and since then Apple is pushing regular updates. But after iOS 18, a lot of battery drainage issue was noticed in iPad 10th generation. So Apple pushed 18.1 update, and after that the battery life was really improved. And in the last update, which was iPadOS 18.1.1, the battery life was excellent. In this update also I am getting a decent battery backup after using it for 2 days. I got about 6 to 7 hours of screen on time on a single charge. I think the battery life will increase more. Actually, I have tested the battery life using video editing app, and whenever you edit videos on your iPad, the battery drains out quickly. So yet after that I got around 6 hours plus screen on time on my iPad 10th generation, which might be considered as a good battery life. If you have recently bought your iPad 10th generation or your iPad Air or any other iPad and you want to increase the battery backup of your iPad, then you can check out the description where I have showed in a video how you can save your battery in iPad as well as in iPhone. After battery backup, I tested the multitasking and I can say that there is no problem. While multitasking through different apps, my iPad is performing really well at the time of switching between apps, and there is no lags or stutter. Some users are asking me whether there is any changes in terms of software and customization options in the lock screen or notification panel. Actually, there is no visible changes in the lock screen as well as in the notification panel. If you have updated your iPad to iPadOS 18 or iPadOS 18.1, in that case you will not feel any difference. Some users are asking me about the storage section, and I will show you about iPad storage. If you scroll down, after this update, actually iPadOS takes around 10.89 GB and system data is 5.48 GB. It will be filled up and it will be increased after few days when there will be cache file. Also, note-taking experience is equally good on iPad 10th generation using third-party ipencil. I will make a dedicated video about the note-taking experience on iPadOS 18.2, so stay tuned for that video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.